Hey, what's up? Rob here again, and in this ClickFunnels 2.0 demo, I want to show you how you can create a new workspace inside of your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, so here we are in the ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard, and many of you are on a plan where it allows you to use multiple workspaces, but lots of people are finding it hard to find out where or how to add a new workspace. So that's the point of this video. Now, there are a couple of ways of getting into this setting. So you can come up to here where you've got your main name in the top left of the dashboard, where it says workspace, your current workspace. You can click on this arrow, and then you can click on team settings. Or the other option is you click on the settings cog here on the left, and then right down at the bottom, you click on edit team settings. Now they'll bring you through to the same page. So obviously that's my one there. And if I go back, I'll show you the other way to get in there. And click on here, and team settings. And again, it comes through to the same page. Now from there, you want to go on this left-hand menu. You want the second option down, team workspaces. And then it gives you the option to add a new workspace. So if you click on that here, that comes up with a new page. Now it does have a warning at the top. If your plan doesn't include more than one workspace, then it's basically saying that you will get billed for using additional teams or workspaces at the moment. So then what you need to do is put in your workspace name and then your workspace and site subdomain. So that's your .myclickfunnels.com subdomain. So I'm going to pop that in there now, and it will check automatically whether or not that subdomain is available. Then you click create workspace. Then it will come up with this screen where it says, let's set up your workspace. So check that the details you've put in are correct. If your subdomain wasn't available, it will suggest an alternative. So let's put these letters after here. Obviously, this is one that's going to be quite popular, so it's probably not available. So you can have a play around with that and then see if it works, or take the alternative that's suggested or come up with a different name. Then click next. Then it will ask you to pick a theme, similar to how you did when you first set up ClickFunnels 2.0. You can change this later. These are the themes that are available at the time of recording. There will be more added later on, obviously. So let's just pick this one, for instance, first of all, and then customize now. Okay, and then it comes up with this page where it gives you a countdown from 4 minutes, and it scrolls through various different features and benefits of ClickFunnels 2.0. And what this is actually doing now, it's actually installing the theme into your new workspace, and when this is complete, it will redirect you. So that's just going to happen now. It says this may take a few seconds, so we just wait until the next screen comes up, and there we go. That's taken me straight into the builder inside of my my theme of my new workspace. So obviously I haven't made any changes here, but if I want to change this text, for example, I'll click save. And then that's it. Now, if I want to come out of this, I can come back. And now I'm in my in the new workspace that I just created. So I can go through and I can do all the setup I did in the original, like I did in the original workspace, where you update your logos, customize your sites. Then you've got all the funnels and pages and courses that relate to this workspace. So they keep them completely separate from each other. So if I go back up to the top here, you can see I've now got two workspaces. I've got my original workspace, and I've got the one I've just created here. So that's it. That is how you create a new workspace in ClickFunnels 2.0. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please give the video a like. Really appreciate it. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification to get informed of when I release new videos. All of that stuff helps me get my videos in front of more people who find them useful, like yourself. Don't forget as well, if you haven't yet got involved with ClickFunnels 2.0, you can still get a free 30-day trial if you go to the link in my description and in the pinned comment. So go and check those out. I've also got over $12,500 worth of bonuses, which will help you rank your product, service, or affiliate product, whatever it is, on the front page of Google within 24 hours. And you can see my results doing that in the linked video above. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, take care. Thanks for watching.